I have this Sony reel-to-reel here, and the plug end down where the cords broke off, that plug into the machine. And actually I found one online. That's what it's supposed to look like, and the other one broke off. It's a reel-to-reel tape player, and I'm going to replace the whole line actually. I'm going to have to cut this one off and cut this side off, and then resolder the new connection on. Basically the exact same thing. Got the solder gun already. Some solder. Should be a simple fix. Okay, got the old cable off. It was real simple. Just had to heat up the ends here, both ends. Pull the wire out. And the cable popped right off. So now I'm gonna put the new one back on. Got it all stripped and ready to go, and gonna put the new cable back on. There you go, soldered both ends. Really simple job. I just didn't even have to use new solder. Could use the old stuff, and got our plug in. Gonna go test it out. Okay, there you go, plugged it in. Matches the other one perfectly. And get it all soldered up. Works great.